Okay, now I'm at the lower section of the falls. There's upper and lower falls. I should have mentioned that earlier, but this one here is the lower falls of the Englishman River. And some rock cliffs here, a lot of moss, a lot of moisture, humid here. Look how beautiful it is here. Oh my god. A lot of debris though from the damage of the floods. Man, look at the pool here. The water is so cool. Like, doesn't matter which river I see. The water is so fresh, so clear, so clean, so natural. You can drink from it. I already have. Not from this river, but from Qualicum River, the little one. Be careful here, it's pretty slippery. Closed to all fishing. Okay, well, I'm not a fisherman, so just going to take a look here. Wow, like a little beach down here. I am sure a lot of people like to go swim in this pool in the summertime. Wow, look at this here. Look at this. Oh, it's so deep, you can't even see the bottom. So nice. Look at that. And it's calm right over there. It's loud up there. There's the bridge. That. Nice. Nice. Oh, look at the stream. Oh yeah, look at these nice trees here. Look at this. Look at this. This is a place where you can go swimming. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, wow. Ice cold water. It's like paradise over here. Look at this. It's like as if no one was ever here. It was left alone for centuries. Look at that. Then you got some more old growth way down there. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. No matter where you go, you got some really huge trees everywhere. It's awesome. So huge. So huge. Alright, I'll see you guys next time, wherever that's gonna be.